Hello friends, welcome to Health and Zaika. We are here with a quick and easy pizza recipe today, which is perfect for a weekend dinner. So why wait? Let's start going. Unlike any other pizza, we will use a two-step process to grill it. First, we'll grill all the vegetables, the toppings for 5 minutes, and then we'll take out the pizza and again we'll add the cheese and again grill it for 3 to 4 minutes. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to the channel, like and share it. You can also visit www.j2p.co.in for more recipes.